Hello everyone. Now we can see about human endocrine glands. What is human endocrine glands? Endocrine glands in animals possess a verticil communication to coordinate for biological functions. What is coordinate? Ottulaipu. In the endocrine glands are found in animals. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They are directly secreted into the blood and does not need any duct for carrying. But exocrine glands are ducted glands. The secretions are called hormones, which is some minute quantities. That is, endocrine glands hormone secrete ചെയ്തു. ആ ഹോർമോൺ സെക്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ബ്ലഡിന് ഡയറക്റ്റാണ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പം എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ യാത് ടാർഗറ്റഡ് ഓർഗനോ അത് അവിടെ പോയി അറ്റാക്കാം. പിറ്റ്യൂട്ടറി ഗ്ലാൻഡ്, അത് ആ ഗ്ലാൻഡ്സ് ഒന്ന് പിറ്റ്യൂട്ടറി ഗ്ലാൻഡ്, തൈറോയ്ഡ് ഗ്ലാൻഡ്, പാരാതൈറോയ്ഡ് ഗ്ലാൻഡ്, പാൻക്രിയാസ്, അഡ്രിനൽ ഗ്ലാൻഡ്, ഗോണാഡ്സ്, അതായത് തൈമസ് ഗ്ലാൻഡ്. പിറ്റ്യൂട്ടറി ഗ്ലാൻഡ് വന്ന് P-shaped small structure gland are attached to the stalk of pituitary gland is attached to the hypothalamus of the brain, and it is consist of two parts, that is anterior pituitary lobe and posterior pituitary lobe. Anterior pituitary lobe and adenohypophysis and posterior pituitary lobes neurohypophysis. The intermediate not existence in humans. That are some in nematodes like so. The pituitary gland forms a major endocrine gland in most of the vertebrates, and it controls all other glands. Then it is called master of endocrine glands. But actually, pituitary gland is controlled by hypothalamus of the brain. Hormones secreted by anterior pituitary lobe: growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, androcorticocorticocortic hormone, gonadotropin releasing, that is GnRH. Prolactin. Growth hormones. Growth hormone promotes the enlargement of tissues and body. It controls growth of muscle, cartilage, bone, and cellular metabolism. What is metabolism? All the chemical reactions take place in our body. Dwarfism. Improper selection causes dwarfism and gigantism. That dwarfism means decreased secretion of growth hormone. Gigantism means over secretion of growth hormone. Acromegaly means the excess secretion of growth hormone in adults may lead to enlargement of head and large jaws. Thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone that stimulates the iodine. That is, in urinary system, the iodine will go, calcium will go out from the body, but there is no any part of body synthesis calcium. But thyroid gland reabsorb the calcium from our body, but that should be stimulated by thyroid stimulating hormone. And ACTH it stimulates the adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla for production of hormones. Gonadotropin hormone, that is stimulates the luteinizing hormone, LH hormone, essential for normal development of gonads, that is testes and ovary. Follicle stimulating hormone, that is growth of sperm and ovary. Luteinizing hormone secretes male sex hormone testosterone and female sex hormone progesterone and estrogen. Results in ovulation. Ovulation means the blast of ovary from ovule. Prolactin. It is a lactogenic hormone. Initiates the development of mammary glands. During the it stimulates the sucking of an infant. Hormone secreted by neurohypophysis. Vasopressin and antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone into the reabsorption of water, increase the reaction, reduce the loss of water to urine. Antidiuretic hormone, that is a reabsorption of water from the kidney, stimulated by antidiuretic hormone. Oxytocin, that is polyuria input, increase in diabetes insipidus. Oxytocin, it helps in coordination of smooth muscles of uterus, that is before the parturition and lactational period, causes the dilation of the uterus for the expansion of the external genitalia. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is composed of two distinct lobes, each lie hormone of isthmus. That is thyroid gland. Two lobes are there in our neck and connected by a mass of connective tissue called isthmus. It's thyroid cartilage, thyroid gland nodules. This is trachea. It's lined by cuboidal epithelial cells. Cuboidal epithelial cells. The follicles are filled with colloid metal called thyroglobulin. Tyrosine and iodines are involved in formation of thyroid, that is T3 and T4. Thyroxine, T4. T4 is very important hormones. Functions of thyroid hormone. It increases the BMR of the body, maintains the normal body temperature, activates the central nervous CNS system, controls the growth of body and the hormone, essentially normal physical and mental personal development. Personality hormone regulates the cell metabolism. Tyrosine dysfunction. That when the thyroid gland fails to secrete normal level of hormone, it causes thyroid dysfunction. It leads to following conditions: hypothyroidism, causes the decreased secretion of thyroid, causes simple goiter, cretinism, and what is simple goiter? Goiter means inadequate suppression of iodine. When iodine is less of our body, this goiter takes place. Cretinism means decreased secretion of thyroid hormone in children, that is stunted growth, mental retardation, lack of skeletal development, deformed bones. Myorrhexia, vitamin D loss. Myodinma. It is caused by deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults. They are mainly struggles and increase the body weight, puffiness after space. Puffiness after, that is simply decreased level of thyroid. It is caused by excess of hypothyroidism. This is due to the excess amount of hormone. It leads to Graves' disease. Parathyroid gland. The chief cells are found in the small follicles of the body called thyroid lobes. The chief cells are glandular and mainly produce parathyroid hormones. Functions of thyroid: it regulates calcium, phosphorus metabolism in our body. They act on bone, kidney, intestine to maintain the body level calcium levels. Parathyroid dysfunction, that is the malfunctioning of the parathyroid gland. It is muscle spasm is known as tetany. Tetany means when there is no calcium in the body, it causes tetany. But because our muscle need calcium to contraction and expansion. This is explained in siding filament drain. This is proposed by Huxley and Strickland. This is you will study in 11th standard. Pancreas. Islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans, yellowish glands stimulate in the loop of the stomach. It is the pancreas are dual gland. That is, they can act as an exocrine and endocrine. The exocrine part of produce pancreatic juice, and endocrine portion is made up of islets of Langerhans. This is ampoule of water. This is islets of Langerhans, blood vessels, bile duct. The islets of Langerhans consist of alpha cell, glucagon, beta cell. Alpha cells produce glucagon, beta cells produce insulin. Insulin is very important for digestion. So, there are another cell, gamma cell, which is not discussed in your textbook. Functions of parathyroid: it maintains the blood glucose level concentration. Insulin helps in conversion of glucose to glycagon and stored in the liver and skeletal muscles. It promotes the transport of glucose into the cells, because inside the cell all the metabolic activities take place. Decrease the concentration of glucose in the level. Increase the concentration of glucose level causes diabetes mellitus. Glucagon helps in breakdown of glycogen into glucose. Glucose to glycagon to glucose. Increase the blood glucose level. That is, increase the blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus. Increase the blood sugar level. Excretion of glucose in urine. Glycoresia. Frequent urination. Polyuria. Increase the polydipteria. Increase in appetite. Adrenal glands. Suprarenal glands. Because they are found, renal means kidney, so they are found above the kidney. The adrenal gland. So this is capsule, cortex, blood vessel, and medulla. There are three layers of this composed of three layers: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, zona reticulata. This is not discussed in your textbook. Here it is. Here it is. Zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. Adrenal hormones, glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. Glucocorticoids secretion by zona felicita by cortisol and corticosteroid. Regulates the cell metabolism, stimulates the formation of glucose from glycogen in the anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic agent. Mineralocorticoids helps in reabsorb the sodium ions from the renal tubes, increase the excretion of potassium ions. It regulates the electrolytic balance, fluid volume, that is stroke volume, cardiac output, osmotic pressure and blood pressure. Adrenal medullate, epinephrine and non-epinephrine. They are together called emergency hormone because when we see flight hormone, because during stress condition it will control our stress from mechanical stress and internal stress also. Epinephrine promotes the conversion of glucose to glycogen in the liver. Heartbeat increases heartbeat and rate, increases the rate of respiration, dilation of pupil and eye, decreases the blood flow to non-adrenal, most similar to those function. Reproductive glands, that is sex glands, are testes and ovaries. Testes are a male reproductive gland. They are composed of seminiferous tubule, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells. Leydig cells form an exocrine part of the testis, where sex hormones are called testosterone. Functions of testosterone. It influences the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means formation of sperms. Stimulates the protein synthesis, controls the muscular growth. Ovary is responsible for development of secondary sexual character, that is hair, body hair, deep voice and tan, etc. Ovary, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is a Graafian molecule. That is, during ovulation, the 3 layers are formed. That is Graafian follicle. Progesterone by proper luteum. After ovulation, if the ovary fertilized with the sperm, the cell that develops into corpus luteum or costum or scar tissue, corpus albicans. Functions of estrogen: it brings the puberty, increases the oogenesis, production of egg. It maintains the ovarian follicles in the male, promotes, that is, breast development, high-pitched voice. Functions of progesterone: it is responsible for premenstrual changes from the uterus. That is, premenstrual changes means it is endometriosis, detachment of endometrial lining of the uterus. The preparation of the uterus implants in the embryo. It maintains a pregnancy, essential for formation of placenta. Placenta is also an endocrine system because it produces human chorionic villus, human lactogen prolactin hormone. Since we can say the placenta also an endocrine hormone. Thymus gland. Thymus is a partly endocrine gland and partly a lymphoid gland. Partially an lymphoid gland provides immunity. It is located upper part of the chest, covering the lower part of trachea. Thymosin is hormone secreted by thymus. This is thymus gland. Functions of thymus gland. Thymosin. It is a stimulatory effect of immune function. It stimulates the production of different lymphocytes. This is just an introduction about the hormones. You will study all detailed in 11th standard, volume 1, unit 11. Chemical coordination and integration chapter. We will study this very detailedly. This is just an introduction. And you will study more about the mechanism of hormone action, what is mechanism, how where does thyroid hormone action, gastrointestinal hormones, there are many much hormones, cholecystokinin, so how the insulin converts the glucagon, more you study. This is just an introduction, plant and animal hormones.